Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with my husband Garrett again for our monthly snack crate. So this is May's snack crate. This is our second one. Our first one was it was a smaller one. So this month is from Spain. We've got our little pamphlet that shows, it's got fun facts about Spain in it, and then it shows you what treats you get.
We even get stickers.
More stickers. I'll add those to my laptop with the last one. So it shows you everything you get. Has a little bit of facts on it. Whatever. It's kind of neat.
Wait, what size did we get? Because last time we had the mini. Did we go? We didn't go premium.
I think it's something like this. This box was also, it's $34 and some change, I believe, right?
Yeah, something like that.
For all of this, but it comes with a lot more snacks and a drink. We've got some really cute wrapping paper again. I feel like I should save those because they're all so cute.
Totally threw the last one away. I'm already digging these chips. These chips have meat on them. Sabor à jamon.
Oh.
Sounds
So they're
French.
Ruffles brand.
Yeah, they're Ruffles. I think in their steak flavor.
Is
Or it's probably like cured. It's probably cured meat.
0 out of 10.
It's a 20. Those are seriously the best chips I've ever had.
One more. I'm pretty sure it's like a 3
Those
for
beat
me.
barbecue Pringles or honey mustard Pringles. Hands down, dopest dope I ever smoked. That needs to be a thing in America.
It's not bad. Not good. I would never ever buy those again.
I would buy them twice.
This is 2. Next up, we got Haribo Gajos. Gajos. And yes, we have, what are they called? Gummy Bears. Or by Haribo. Because they got the Haribo commercial. No, Haribo. These reek. Did you smell them?
No. If they smell like the meat chips, I'm down.
No, that smells disgusting. I told you, it smells like
You know what it smells like?
a dirty sock.
No, it smells like the vacuum, the wet vacuum.
It
Oh, wow,
smells
that's bad.
terrible. But they look like those little orange slices that...
Yeah, but they're like super pliable. Oh, yeah. That's not a smell that...
If you don't smell it, they're really good. Just don't smell it. I like that.
You want to change?
Cheers.
No, yours is a lemon. This one's orange.
No, they taste just like the ones that we have here, I think. They just smell way worse.
A little more chewy. Not so sugary. I don't know. You can't really feel the diabetes on it.
Okay, 0 out of 10. What's that? 6.
Yeah, probably 6. Oh. Is this what I think it is? Is this one of those whistle pops? It's a Melody Pops by Chupa Chips.
Chupa Chups. They give you 2. Wow. Okay, it's strawberry flavored. You get your whistle donger.
What the fuck is a whistle donger?
Your whistleblower.
This is gonna be the most disgusting sucker to share because you just
That's why
blown
I
all
made
your
it first.
spit into it.
Mm.
I was gonna lick the bottom. Never mind.
Play a tune. That's really good. And it's fun. You got mad skills.
It tastes like a strawberry cough drop.
No. It tastes way better.
That's terrible. You can have that.
10 out of 10. Recommend. What's that? 0 out of 10.
For me, probably 2, but I hate that artificial strawberry flavor. These ones, super excited about. They're fried egg chips. I think they taste like fried eggs, and if that's a thing, I'm down.
Wait, what are they called? El Valle. Huevo frito.
Wow, you said that so good.
Thank you.
I didn't even know how to pronounce that, but as soon as you said it, I was like, oh yeah.
That's it.
What's that?
Fried egg taste chip. Patatas fritas.
Gourmet.
Potatoes. Oh, because it's a potato. And it's full. Like, you know how Lay's, it's all air? These chips go all the way up to here.
There's like some black peppery stuff on it.
It tastes like an egg.
Oh, 100% when you breathe it in.
God!
It does,
Or
okay.
like, what's that soup? What's that soup?
Like egg drop soup.
Egg drop
yeah,
soup.
it's like egg drop soup in chip form.
That's gross, but kind of good. Straight up a freaking egg as soon as it goes in your mouth. Wow.
Yeah.
I want to get these just so everybody else can try them. That is weird. Egg drop soup in a bag. 0 out of 10. 7? I'm gonna give it a 5 because I don't know if I like it or not. I don't understand how it tastes just like that is an egg. That is an egg.
Who gets a craving for egg chips though? Like,
nobody.
Why wouldn't you just go cook an egg? Haven't had my eggs today. I'm gonna eat my potato eggs.
We got some. Oh wait, it opens up more.
Show the whole package.
We got some spicy mangoes, and they're squishy like gummies. Fat-free, nut-free, gluten-free.
Oh gosh.
What?
So glad it doesn't have the glutens in it.
I don't know if I like that smell. It's sweet.
Oh. What?
It looks like
a kidney.
What's a kidney
It looks
bean?
like a kidney.
That's what I was gonna say. Yeah.
This smell is intoxicating. Okay, right away it's got the consistency of a marshmallow, and I hate it.
Nope, it doesn't. It's got something. It's like chewy, but it's got a goo in it, and it's starting to get spicy.
Oh, I thought it was sour, but now it's spicy.
It's just spicy, right on. I can feel it on my tongue.
It tastes like they put Lucas on a mango, made it into a chewy candy.
Everything in that Mexican candy box was mango and
You know the stuff I squirted in your mouth?
Yeah.
Mike and Jessica would love this.
Probably. Let's save them. Wrap them up, put a clip on them. We'll put them in a baggie.
We'll put them in a baggie.
Mike and Jessica.
Just for you.
Those are for you. I'm going for the donuts.
Right now. Is it a donut or a cookie?
It is huge.
It's as big as my head.
Look at this sucker. Wow. I'm so excited. Real milk chocolate. This is huge. It's got to be multiple.
As opposed to fake milk chocolate? Is there such a thing?
Hey guys.
It's real.
It is really real.
It's real.
Yeah.
So they're just cookies?
No, they're like donut cookies.
Right. Yeah, they're shortbread.
Shortbread cookie. Oh my god.
It reminds me of those,
Wait. Hold your breath. 0 to 10. What do we say? I say a 4.
Yeah, I was gonna say a 4 too.
Okay. Back on the donut cookies. Oh god.
Okay, it reminds me of those cookies that have the chocolate bottoms and then the chocolate stripes on top.
Oh, the elf ones? Keebler.
Yeah.
But these are way better because they have more chocolate on them.
I will have to agree. Pretty good chocolate too.
The Keeblers don't have enough chocolate.
I mean, the entire bottom's chocolate, but
That's not enough.
it's not an American amount of chocolate. Okay, we got these little thingers.
Yeah. Little fingers. Picota Dulciora. I'm going to have to look this up in the booklet thing because I had no idea what it is.
I'm gonna put it in my mouth.
It's
So
a
they've
hard
got, like-
candy with a sugar coating.
It's not hard. That's soft.
Bright red candies feature a crunchy, sugary outer layer with a soft, gummy cherry center. Oh, you can chew them.
Imagine a sour cherry ball that you buy at we have them at Tyson's. That's the only other place.
But they're really soft.
Yeah, but these are super soft, whereas the other ones kind of have a hard outside. And they aren't sour. They're just really sweet.
Oh, those chips are supposed to taste like ham.
Yeah.
That's not a steak. A steak is beef.
Alright, well I was going to say it's like cured ham. I'm getting all hot and bothered just thinking about those chips. What'd you think about the bowls? The bowls.
The balls, I would eat those. It's an 8 because it's not something I would probably buy all the time, but it's good.
I like that they're individually packaged, so you can be like, oh, I'll have a cherry bowl.
2, yeah. We got 2 left too, so we can share with our friends. Let's do the drink so we can start washing down things. Okay, so we got a drink in this one. We did the drink upgrade. It's Cas Limon.
Cas.
Limon.
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 So we've got a glass of ice because I don't like to drink warm or room temperature drinks.
She's high maintenance.
I'm not high maintenance. Wait, part of this is water.
Are you ready?
Wait. Commercial. Have a drink of Cas Limon. That's good.
Cas Limon.
It smells like lemon. Originally created in the 1950s, intensely flavored soda is made with real lemon juice, sunny, like a warmish.
So it's going to taste like
a
squirt.
warm Spanish
It's going to taste like squirt. You hate squirt.
Does not taste like squirt. This is straight up lemonade.
Lemonade.
It's lemonade in a can. I'm giving
So
that
like country time in a can?
2. I don't like lemonade. Needs more sugar.
There's like no carbonation in it. There's carbonated water in it.
It's carbonated.
Made by PepsiCo.
Wow.
Huh.
Wow. Ow!
It just tastes like lemon juice with a little bit of carbonation in it. There's no sweetness like lemonade's got. It's pretty not that good.
Nope, nope, nope.
I'd give it like a 2.
Yeah, 2. I don't like lemonade, and that's a very tart lemonade. Maybe add of like 10 packets of sugar.
After we make some southern sweet tea out of it.
You want to do this?
Sure.
Dolce so palmera. It's a heart-shaped thing. A crunchy
Pastry?
puff pastry topped with a deliciously sweet sugar glaze. Try one with your morning coffee.
Oh wow, look, another a cherry ball.
Well, we got 3 more.
With your morning coffee? Is that what it said?
Yeah. Wow, this looks so good.
Seriously, you didn't even rip it off. So much germs in this video. Was yours soft? Because that was like I broke off a 2x4.
No, it's good, but it's not like a sweet pastry from here. But it's good. Kind of tastes like cardboard.
I've never eaten cardboard.
I have. No, I've licked it though.
Times were tough. Little mayonnaise cardboard sandwiches. It smells like butter toast from Dairy Queen.
It kind of does.
And it tastes like a croissant that got smashed and dried out. Just, I mean, that's flaky AF.
I love it. I'm gonna give that like an 8.
I could eat that in the morning.
Yeah.
It's not sweet. It's not.
That's probably why it's harder too to dip in your coffee, so then it doesn't get like super soggy. My mom dips everything in coffee.
Why would you dip that? If you dip that in coffee, it's gonna fall apart.
No.
It'll be like a cookie you left too long in milk.
They don't toast in coffee. They don't
That's
everything
terrible.
in coffee. Cookies, pastries, everything. My mom would love that.
Make me a drink, please.
Be right back, bitches. You're classy, lady.
Thanks, Batch.
Welcome back.
All right, Miss Spanish.
Maple Tiron Vienna.
I don't know what.
Layers of wafer cookie together with peanut butter dipped in chocolate. That's
So
like
it's a
wafer.
nutty bar.
A nutty bar, yeah.
How do you eat nutty bars? Do you pull them off layer by layer?
No. That's a lot of work.
You just go straight savage?
Just straight,
Savage.
a whole bar in your mouth. You just push it in.
Pull them off layer by layer.
No, you just...
Lord! Alright, what the fuck?
Looks like a straight up.
Like a fat ass nutty bar. Yeah. Can't keep the chocolate away from her. This is surprising because you're not a very peanut buttery person.
Yeah, but that's nutty butter.
It's not another butter.
Take a bite.
Ooh, the chocolate
That's
is
gross.
bitter. That's dark chocolate. That's not milk chocolate.
No, that's a weird dark chocolate because I like dark chocolate and I don't like that.
I mean, it's like it says a super rich chocolate.
Try that, Holmes.
Yeah, it's kind of got like that burnt cocoa-y bitterness.
Yeah, I don't like that. 0 out of 10. No, I'll give it a 1 because it's not bad. And I think the more you eat it, the better it gets.
More of it. I'd give it like a 5.
Okay, 3.
I don't know. It's not like your child. It's like an adult
Nutty butter.
nutty bar.
It's a mature.
Can you stop calling it a nutty butter? It's not a nutty butter.
We didn't rate the pastry. I vote a 9.
I mean, I don't know. I'm not that big into that kind of stuff.
My pick next.
What? Your what next?
My pick.
Oh, my peak.
Le Principe snack bars. Biscuit
Snack
bars.
bars?
Snack bars.
Told you, give it 5 minutes. Here we are.
Biscuit bars filled with rich milk chocolate and puffed rice dipped in chocolate.
Puffed rice?
I
Like
don't
a
know
Rice
what that
Krispie
is.
treat? Yeah, that's puffed rice.
Oh, what's a treat that has puffed rice in it? A crunch neck?
A crunch nick.
It's just a crunch
We're calling
bar.
crunch bars crunch nicks now.
Yeah.
Lord. Well, here's our crunch nick.
Shut up. It looks delicious, you see?
No, we can't because you won't put them.
It looks delicious.
I thought you were going to offer me a bite first. Of course not. Get in there.
That doesn't taste like Crunch Bar. Crunch Bar used to be my favorite candy bar in the whole world. And I'd eat around all the letters and then save the letters for last.
This is like a texture mindfuck.
It's kind of weird, huh?
Because you have like the cookie, and you're like, oh, that's kind of crunchy. And every once in a while, you're like, pop! Rice Krispie in your face.
They don't pop, though. You're dramatic.
I don't like that.
I do. By the way, update.
I'd rate it like a 3.5.
8. No, 7. It's not that good.
It's
6.
Pretty bad.
It's a 6.
I wouldn't
It's
buy
not
it.
bad.
If I had a lineup of all these snacks, that wouldn't be something I would grab.
Update
Going meat
on
chips.
the egg chip. Rotten ass breath.
Oh yeah.
So don't go on a date eating egg chips.
Are you gonna
Choco
zoom
Creme
it?
con
There we go.
Cachitos de Galata Negra. That's a lot of words that I don't know, but they look just like the Oh, it's got a cookie on it too. So if you've ever tried those Oreo treats, delicious chocolates.
Choco Creme con
Cachitos de Galeta Negra. Delicious chocolates filled with vanilla cream and bits of chocolate. It's just like one of those Oreo cookies. Oreo candy bars.
Oh.
That is exactly what it looks like. And there's even a cookie. Opening it up looks just... Oh.
Reminds me of a cookies and cream Hershey's bar.
Yeah, cookies and cream
dipped in
Hershey's bar.
chocolate. Instead of white chocolate. Yeah, it tastes exactly like cookies and cream
with milk chocolate.
With milk chocolate on the outside. That is freaking bomb.
So good. So good. 9 out of 10.
Yeah, I'd give it a solid 10 out of 10.
Okay, here's our last bar. This is La Casitos Milk Chocolate Bar. Milk chocolate bar with candy-coated chocolate pieces embedded in each bite. So it's an M&M.
Yeah, they're like knockoff M&Ms.
It's a knockoff. It's an M&M Hershey bar. M&M makes M&M candy bars.
You named like 4 different companies in one bar.
I don't know.
Alright, I feel like M&M made a chocolate bar one time.
That's what I'm trying to say. It's a chocolate bar with M&Ms in it.
Yeah, but didn't M&M make that already?
Yeah.
Let's say it's nothing like that.
No, the chocolate is not the same. The chocolate is not as good. I'm
What
really
is
into
that
chocolate,
flavor?
but I don't like that so much. We're not bad, but it's weird. I don't know.
Alright, don't do that, because you're going to make me throw up.
I don't like it. I like a 4.
I mean, I say I don't like it, but I could probably eat it, so I'm going to say like a 6.
Okay, so out of all these, what is your favorite? I'm going to guess the chips.
Meat chips
Meat
for
chips.
the win. Meat chips, meat chips. Drink this again now that the ice is melted into it. Meat chips are definitely the bomb.
Still, very tart lemonade.
I'm going to guess your
Okay.
favorite's the cookie or that last bar. Second favorite is wherever it disappeared.
My favorite is the donuts,
She already stole it.
and that was probably my second favorite.
Second favorite.
Yeah.
This would be my top sweet. This would be my top savory.
Okay, so the box that we got was the original with the drink upgrade. So I think that was $34. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12. No. Yeah, we got 12 snacks and 1 drink. Next month, we are upgrading to premium. I don't care how many dollars it is. I'm going to kind of do, but...
Who's that lady?
That lady.
Graveyard Girl?
Yeah.
Bunny? Well, this has been another Snack Crate
Coming at you hot.
and Eggy.
God, I wonder what our
Upgrade
farts are going to smell like.
I'm not anticipating that.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're going to finish all...
Ooh, kind of like eggs. If you like this video, subscribe. We're
Give
going
it
to
a
do
thumbs
this
up.
every single month. And next month, it's going to be premium from here on out.
If you guys are interested in Snack Crate, I will leave the link below where you can check it out. I believe you can get your first box for only $1. That is all for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.